Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight Nissan Sentra, full guide. Begin by parking on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake, then open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety and put on gloves and eye protection. Gather replacement bulb, screwdriver, and pliers. Work calmly, follow each step, and test the new bulb before closing the hood to confirm proper operation. Now we focus on removing the old headlight bulb safely and efficiently. First, remove any plastic covers or screws holding the headlight assembly using the correct screwdriver. Next, either twist the bulb socket counterclockwise or unhook the retaining clips, then gently pull the bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass surface to prevent oils from shortening bulb life. Keep removed parts organized and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal. Quick reminder to subscribe, and like if you are finding this video helpful, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: I love the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free control while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you want more parts or tool suggestions, look below for details and savings. Thanks for hanging out. Now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb ready, handle it by the base or wear gloves to prevent oils on the glass. Carefully insert the bulb into the socket and secure any retaining clips or twist the socket clockwise until snug and properly seated. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery to test that the new headlight functions correctly. Once confirmed, replace any covers or screws, fully tighten fasteners, and stow your tools before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.